Today we will be making simit. For simit, first I need to toast some sesame seeds. I will toast them on a slow heat for 10 minutes. Sesame seeds nicely roasted. And sesame seeds must cool down now. While sesame seeds cooling down, I will make dough for simit. I will use a stand mixer, but of course everything can be done by hand. For the dough, 500 grams of plain flour in a mixing bowl, 1 teaspoon of salt, one teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of dry instant yeast. ,300 milliliters of warm water, one tablespoon of oil, and just a small dollop of butter, soft butter, like this, teaspoon. Dough is silky smooth, quite dense. It must be like this. Now it must rest for not long. We don't actually need double in size. It will rest for 15-20 minutes, just for gluten to relax. I will put back in a bowl, cover with towel. Dough been resting for 15 minutes. I will divide dough for roughly 120 grams. I will scale over here. Divided pieces I am making in a log shape. I will let them rest for 10 minutes. And while they're resting, I will make molasses. In Turkey, they're using grape molasses. Something like this. Warm water. Not hot, warm water. One cup of water. And touch of flour. Roughly teaspoon. We'll leave Simit for another 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes. And I will start to preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Oven has reached temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. Simit rested nicely. What I will need to do now, dip simit in the molasses. From molasses straight to sesame seeds. Cover nicely and stretch out a little bit. They're going in the oven, 200 degrees Celsius, for 15 minutes until they're golden brown. Simits have been in oven 15 minutes, nice and toasty. Beautiful. Hot. Second batch came out from oven. Very beautiful. Simits must cool down and we will have cup of tea, Turkish cup of tea with simits. Ready to try it. Made Turkish tea. I'm going to bite straight into it. Mm. Mm. Very, very nice. Simit, they are my favorite. Divine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put like.